Welcome back to Auto Vibes, where we bring you the hottest rides and automotive revivals. Today, we have something truly special, the return of an icon, the 2025 Premier Padmini. A name that evokes nostalgia, elegance, and Indian automotive heritage. But this isn't just a trip down memory lane. The new Padmini is here with a modern twist, blending retro charm with futuristic technology. Take one look at the exterior, and you'll know this car stays true to its roots. The classic boxy shape remains, but with refined aerodynamics and modern touches. LED headlights replace the old round lamps, while the signature chrome grille gets a sleeker, more sophisticated design. The vintage-inspired steel wheels give it that old-school charm, while premium paint finishes add a contemporary edge. It's a blend of past and present, a design that turns heads wherever it goes. Inside, the 2025 Padmini redefines comfort and convenience. The minimalist dashboard features a digital instrument cluster, a floating infotainment screen, and wireless connectivity. Soft touch materials, retro-themed upholstery, and ambient lighting give the cabin a premium feel. And despite its compact size, it's surprisingly spacious, making city driving an absolute breeze. The inclusion of modern safety features like ABS, airbags, and a 360-degree camera ensures that this classic silhouette meets today's standards. Under the hood, the new Padmini offers a choice between a peppy 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine and an electric variant. The petrol model delivers around 90 horsepower, ideal for zipping through urban streets. But for those looking for a greener alternative, the EV version promises a range of up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. A smooth CVT gearbox and lightweight construction make the drive effortless, while the suspension is tuned for maximum comfort on Indian roads. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Premier Padmini is expected to start at around 8 lakh rupees for the petrol variant, while the EV version might push close to 12 lakh rupees. That makes it one of the most affordable retro modern cars on the market. And with its blend of nostalgia, modern tech, and city-friendly performance, it's got a strong selling point, appealing to both enthusiasts and new-age buyers looking for a stylish, practical ride. So, is the 2025 Premier Padmini worth it? If you're someone who loves a car with history, charm, and modern features, this one's a no-brainer. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you drive this retro legend? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Vibes for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, keep those engines roaring.